Good morning, students. Students, you know that we have completed word meanings, question answers, extra questions of lesson 1 and exercise also. Today we are doing MCQs, multiple choice questions that are on page number 129 in your book. So let's start. Our lesson name is Our Country, India. First question is India is situated in the dash part of Asia. Options are southern, northern, eastern, none of them. We have read in lesson that India is situated in the southern part of Asia. So you have to take southern part. India is the dash largest country of the world in terms of area. Seventh, second, fifth, none of them. So India is the seventh largest country of the world in terms of area. According to area, it is seventh. Number 3 is India is the dash largest country in the world in terms of population. According to population, India is number second. Options are first, second, third, none of them. So we have to take second because India is second largest country in the world in terms of population. Number 4 is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides is called. A piece of land surrounded by water is called a peninsula. Okay. Number 5 is there are dash states and dash union territories in India. The options are wrong here. I have corrected them. You can correct it in your book. Okay. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Question number 6 is the Indian Ocean is to the dash of India. North, south, east, none of them. The Indian Ocean is to the south of India. You have seen the map and you have seen where is Indian Ocean. It is in the south of India. Question number 7 is Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea meet in. Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea meet in Kanyakumari, Madurai, Tiruvananthapuram, none of them. Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea meet in Kanyakumari. Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal meet in Kanyakumari. Question number 8 is the Great Indian Desert is called Dash Desert of the India. Rajasthan, Thar, Western. Western is wrong here. You have to write Southern. You have to write Southern here. Okay. Because Great Indian Desert is also called Western Desert. So Western shouldn't be there. It will be Southern. The Great Indian Desert is called Thar Desert. The Great Indian Desert is called Thar Desert. Which of these countries are bigger in size than India in terms of area? Options are Russia, Canada. Option B, China, United States of America. C, Brazil, Australia. All these countries are bigger in size than India. So we have to take all of this option. Okay. Next question is question number 10. The countries which have common boundaries with India are called our neighbors, islands, frontiers, none of these. The countries which have common boundaries with India are called our neighbors. Question number 11 is India is surrounded by water on dash sides. 2, 3, 4, all. India is surrounded by water on 3 sides. So it is called a peninsula. Question number 12 is which of these statement is incorrect? We have to pick out a incorrect statement. Thar Desert is in the western part of India. This statement is correct. People like to go to a hill station in summer. This is correct. The land surface of India is same at every place. This statement is incorrect. And the last one, a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides is called a peninsula. This statement is also correct. The incorrect statement is C. The land surface of India is same everywhere, because the land surface of India is differs from place to place. So this is the incorrect statement. Okay. Our MCQs are complete of lesson 1. I hope you understood. Thanks and have a nice day.